It's always that one that's trying to set you up for some dang on foolery. Hey sunshines, and welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. In my last video, I showed you how I do my twist and curl, and today I'm going to show you my nighttime routine to preserve it by using my 24-hour Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold, my Tangerine Cold Wave rods, and my DNA Jamaican Black Castor Oil with Moroccan Argan oil. So prior to doing anything, I always remove my earrings, any clips, anything that's in my hair. I don't want anything to be in the way that could potentially snag my hair. So once all that's out the way, I just go ahead and grab random sections of hair and twist it up. I do not go back in and do the same amount of twists that I did originally when I installed this style. So once the section is twisted up, I just go ahead and add the roller on the end. And I don't add any additional products at this point. The only time I do is if the hair is extremely frizzy, then I may go back and add some of my cream that I use to style my hair. But I basically try to keep it simple, straight to the point. Once everything is twisted and curled up, I just tie my hair up for the night. This entire process can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes for me to do, but the time frame really depends on if I'm doing it in the mirror or not. If I'm really tired, feeling lazy, I might just do this in the bed where I can't necessarily see, but it still turns out the exact same way in the morning because I'm literally just taking random pieces of hair and twisting. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. So it's the next morning and time to take my hair down. Now keep in mind, I only take my hair down if I'm going somewhere, doing a video call. If I'm not doing anything, I keep my hair tied up so that I can cut down on manipulation of my hair. And this is what it looks like after being in there overnight. It's still looking juicy and moisturized. So now I'm just gonna take my oil, rub it in my hands, and I'm doing this to reduce frizz. And just gonna go in and start taking these rollers out. And once all the rollers out, I just basically untwist everything. Well, I thought I had all the rollers out. It's always that one that's trying to set you up for some dang on foolery. So now that I got all the rollers out, for real this time, I'm just taking all the hair and separating it. So you can separate it as much or as little as you want to get the size that you want. So now I'm just gonna go in and lay my edges with my 24-hour Edge Tamer, which I love, and slick these edges down. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because it is a natural style, but I do want to go in and just touch up my part. Now that I got my edges and my parts all slicked down, I'm just going to go in and add my hair accessories and basically finish off the style and look to see if there's any pieces that I feel like need to be separated some more to make it bigger. Now my twist and curl is not really big by any means, but you can go as big as you want to while I dibble and dabble with my big toe in the water before I dive in all the way to the big hair. And here are my final results. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. Toodles. Mwah.